Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to be doing the tag which everyone's doing is I try to follow a beauty guru's makeup. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to find I've already got a video, so I'm going to do that. So okay, it's this person right here. I think his name is... So here we go. Hopefully this is going to be good. I've never done this before.
Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. I was very inspired by the Valentine's Day to create this look, and in my previous video I asked you guys what you wanted to see. Some of you said that you wanted me to do something bold and dramatic, others said that you wanted me to go with something more natural and wearable, and this is what I came up with. I think that it's just...
It looks really pretty, it really does.
It's dramatic, but it's also not like super duper wearable, like everyday no makeup look. You can wear this look for a dinner out, for a night out, but you can also wear it throughout the day. You know, it's not like 100% nighttime look. That's exactly what I was going for. I wanted to do a look that is suitable for day and night. I also used some very soft romantic colors, like this eye look screams Valentine's Day to me. I really hope you guys like it, and without losing any time, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by priming my face, and I'm gonna use the Ofra Cool...
Okay, I don't have that, but I will use the primer that I've been using so much, so I will use two primers.
It smells like real cucumbers. I couldn't believe my nose. You know, I couldn't believe my eyes, I couldn't believe my nose. Anyway, it just smells like so refreshing, so nice. So today I'm gonna use it to prime my face. I'm just gonna
put it on with a sponge.
1.5 pump on my sponge, and I'm gonna apply that all over my face using dabbing motions, just pressing it into my skin. It's drying out kind of quickly, and your skin feels a little bit like sticky. It's getting tacky. I don't know, but I feel like it's really nicely preparing my skin for the makeup. So I've been using it a couple of times now, and I can say that I like it. For foundation...
Whoa, I'm not there. I'm not there. I'm not there. Wait. I'm not there. Whoa. I'm not there. Wait. I'm not there. She goes... Okay, so I'm primed. I'm ready to go. I do take it down my neck, but she didn't. It is tacky. Oh, okay. What did she do?
Wear by Estee Lauder. I have this.
Oh, I have that.
Very nude, and I got a pump. I'm really happy because if you don't...
I didn't have a pump. I need to buy a pump.
It's so messy. Like, honestly, I don't know why...
That's right, girl.
...are putting foundations in not convenient packagings. Like, why they do that? I guess they want to sell their pumps too, but it's very clever, but it's also very annoying for the...
It is.
Worst thing of not having a pump with this foundation is that you're wasting a ton of...
So true.
No one wants to waste that expensive foundation, you know. So anyway, I'm gonna use like 1.5 pump from this because I'm gonna mix it with the Catrice with this thing to kind of lighten it up a little bit, and again using my sponge to apply it all over my face. Alright, now I'm moving to the brow.
Whoa, I'm not done. Whoa, she's fast. So blend it all over the face. I don't normally put this this foundation on with a... Okay, she doesn't do the lips. So she does it with the corner things. Okay, so I'm used to this beauty sponge because I normally use this beauty sponge anyway. But this product, I don't use a beauty sponge with it. Like, I just don't. Like, I wish I had the pumps. So I might get myself a pump. Whoa.
And I'm gonna brush my brow hairs upwards.
Okay, I've got a clear brow, this is the benefits. So.
Just gonna really quickly put them in place.
This is weird, I've never done this before.
I think that it's very important to brush through your eyebrows with some kind of a gel before filling them in.
So I've set them in place. Now I don't have a Benefit brow pomade, but I do have...
And to fill them in, I'm using the brow gel by Benefit. I have this in the shade 3. So I'm adding this where I have less hairs and giving my brows more defined shape. Now I'm adding some concealer on my eyelids, and this is going to be my eyeshadow.
Okay, so she's gonna use I'm gonna use an eyeshadow. Oh god, so hers a bit finished. So I'm gonna use this for an eyeshadow primer. So she uses the Colourpop. I didn't have the Colourpop, so I'm just gonna use the Tarte Shade Tape. Whoa. Okay, and then
primer for today. Just gonna use a small brush to blend it out. This is the Zoeva 142. Oh, I may use a little bit too much on this eye. It's fine. If you feel that you added too much product, just take a clean sponge. I'm using the one that I used to apply my foundation and just dab 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 dab, and it will absorb the excess product. And I'm gonna set that concealer on my eyelids with some face powder so that it won't crease and the shadows will blend easier. Alright, so today on the eyes I want to do something very wearable but kind of colorful at the same time. And by colorful I mean I don't want to use the usual like neutral colors, like let's say brown, beige, you know, all of those like skin tone similar colors. I want to do something different than that. And I don't know, I want to play with pink, I want to play with mauve, I want to play, I don't know, with maybe burgundy, but for the most part I want to come up with something very wearable. So I have this palette here by Zoeva, it's called Cafe, and the packaging, like, look how pretty it is. This
it's beautiful, but I don't have that.
I may use this one here, these two look beautiful. So anyway, let's just go ahead and see what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take a nice fluffy brush and I'm gonna pick this shade right here. It's like dusty rose, like very soft pink color. It's beautiful.
The dusty rose that she uses, so it's in this palette right here, and it is an eyeshadow colour. So it looks a little bit similar, so I'm gonna use that.
Beautiful. And I'm gonna place that in my crease right here. From the outer part of the eye all the way to the inner, using small circular motions and very light hand. I feel like sometimes in my videos I look like I'm being like super rough with myself, but I'm using very light hand. It's just the skin around the eyes is so like delicate, and you know, it looks like I'm being very rough with myself, but I'm not.
Pretty, I like it. It looks pretty. Right,
now I'm actually going to switch to a different Zoeva palette. This one is called Offline, and I saw this color here and I was like, oh, I want to use that on my eyelids.
Okay, it's a very bright cranberry kind of colour. It is so bright. So I'm going to go with Kooky from Laura Lee. Hers is very bright, but mine's very, like, you know, not bright. So let's see what she does.
So I'm going to take it on a small, like, pencil blending brush. This is the Morphe M507. And this is going in the outer third of my eye. I'm not going to try to blend out that eyeshadow now. I just want to place the color here. And after that, I'm going to spend some time blending. But for now, just adding that color here. And now I'm gonna make a mixture between this color that I just added on my eyelid with the first one that I used in my crease.
So I placed it on my eye. So she's taken the mixture of the end colour to the...
Mixing them both. And that mixture is going in the inner third of my eye. Okay, now I'm taking the brush that I used to apply that crease color, and I'll use it to blend out all of the harsh lines. And see how I left a gap in the center of my eyelid. I want to kind of keep it empty there. It's okay if you bring some color, but try to keep it as clean as possible. And if you want, you can also add a second layer of those colors in the inner and in the outer corner of the eye to kind of make them more vibrant, because when you're blending, some of the color is fading off and you know, it's happening. But if you want to bring back the intensity, just add one more layer. Next, I'm taking just a flat brush.
Well, okay, so she's done the other eye off camera, so I think I'm just going to be able to do that. Can I do that in the palette then too? Let's find out. So I'm back at the palette editing, I'm back.
I got this from eBay a very long time ago. So I'm going to spray it with some MAC Fix Plus. And I'll dip it in this really pretty shimmery pinky eyeshadow. This is from that Zoeva Cafe palette. And that is going in the center of my eyelid.
Together, we can put frizz out of sight.
Got a pinky right here.
John Frieda.
Wow, that's absolutely stunning! You guys, I love how this look is coming up. Like, honestly, so pretty colors. And I don't think that I'm gonna add eyeliner and falsies and all of that. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. But now, I'm gonna take some concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Vanilla. And I'm gonna add some of it under my eyes to kind of cover up the darkness. And I don't like have like crazy darkness under my eyes. It's just my under eye area is a little bit more like blue and purple. I want to cover this thing up. And I'll go ahead and set it with some, wow, ooh, okay, that's a lot of powder. This is the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. I'm gonna use some of it to set that concealer in place, but oh my god, everything is covered in powder. You guys, there is powder everywhere on my desk. How did I did that? How? Okay, now I'm gonna add just a tiny little bit of a contour to my face, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I feel like every time I wanna play safe, I'm always going back to this because this color here is really good. Okay, and I have some blemishes in this area right here, and I cover them up with the foundation. By the way, it has a great coverage, and I don't wanna like remove that foundation, and I don't want the blemishes to be visible again. So what I'm doing is I'm like pressing the brush to my skin. I'm not like wiping and you know like dragging and all of that. I'm just like pressing it, blending the product into my skin. I'll use this blush for the first time on my face.
Okay, so we got that on there. Okay. So she uses a light pink blush, so I think I've got that.
Today, this is a Flirt Blush Duo Palette by Jouer, and the blush is called Touch Me. So let's go ahead and try it out. Wow, that's really pretty. I'm not a blush girl. I usually skip the blush. Most of the times I don't even use blushes, but when I do, I want them to be very nice and soft. I have pretty pale skin, so you know, most of the blushes can be very dark for me, so I'm usually going with very light ones. And this one, I was a little bit worried because in the packaging, I see that it has some shimmer in it. Like very fine, super tiny shimmers, and I was a little bit worried because my skin is going wild lately and I have no idea why. But I've been breaking out for some reason and I have lots of texture on my skin. And adding shimmer on a more like textured skin, it's not the best idea ever, but this blush didn't like exaggerate my texture, which is great. That's the reason that I'm gonna use a very small tiny amount of highlighter today, because my skin is not ready to look super duper dewy now. I'll go with a product that I've tried a couple of times and I love it. The only thing that I kinda find not really good about it is that it's drying out super duper quickly and you have to be very quick when blending it into your skin. This is the Mirror Luminizer but in a liquid.
Okay, I don't have that, but I have this card that looks a bit similar. So what does she do? I don't have a liquid, so...
With this. So what I like doing is I like to take some of the product on my sponge like this, and I'm kind of like spreading it, and then when I have something like that, I'm gonna like press it to my skin. I've tried adding that highlighter like directly to my skin, but it was very difficult to blend it. So I find that this trick with the sponge is like so much better. And you can layer that. It can be very intense. I just don't want to go with something that intense today. And you can also use this on your eyes, on your lips. I haven't tried using it on my eyes, but I really want to. Going back to the eyes, I'm curling my lashes.
Good girl, she curls her lashes, thank God for that. Curling lashes.
And then I'm coating them with some mascara. This is the Urban Decay Troublemaker. This is again that first Zoeva palette, so I'm gonna make a mixture between these two colors here. And with a very small smudging brush, I'm gonna add that in the outer third of my lower lash line. And connecting it with the eyeshadow.
It looks pretty.
On top. The color that I chose for my lips is this one here. This is liquid lipstick by Ofra. It's called Duchess.
This is a one called Duchess, so I need something that's similar to that. So what I'm going to do is probably use this one called by Charmed. I'm going to use that. Looks a bit similar. Okay, she puts it on the back of her hand. Oh my god.
And to finish up the look, I'm spraying my face with some MAC Fix Plus. Oh, that feels amazing. It's really refreshing. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Also, some of you know that I recently started my second channel here on YouTube. Don't worry, I won't abandon my makeup.
So that's all the look that she's got for me today. It actually looks really nice. I don't have any bottom lashes on. Oh my god, this looks so different with no bottom lashes on. It's like, what the hell? I didn't set my face at all, so I'm like, I didn't highlight the bits that I normally do. It is really weird to copy someone else, but I did enjoy this look. This eye look looks incredible. Okay, the only thing is she doesn't put any bottom lashes on, and I need bottom lashes. Like, I did not look bright without bottom lashes, but I didn't set the face. Like the contour looks really nice. It looks so nice and pretty. I do love this look, but I don't have any highlight on. I don't have any highlight onto my chin or that. I didn't set them areas. But she is right. It is a nice romantic soft look. It's something very different that I haven't done before. I've never contoured like patting motions or anything like that. But I actually did really enjoy this look that I copied. It may not be exactly like she did it, but I think it is a best looking representation of what she did. So guys, I do hope you enjoy this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you want me to do any other recreations from other YouTube, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!